Ogidi youths don't give man the taste of your medicine. My people, this one is raw. When I say raw, we're not supposed to understand say raw is raw. The man named na Sunday, according to Matawe Rich, and they send me video. They say, Madam Aproko, if you see how this boy beat elderly woman, when I watch that video, boxing, kicking, flogging, slapping, all of them they involve. Make a shock una. We later find out say na im mama be that. If they beat your mother, my people, so as we they speak now, they don't tie them to 1 tree like that. They don't give them your own taste of a medicine. Even though I know they satisfied with the way they flog and posty now something. So I beg, I don't bring a corner aside because join me, make me watch the video.
Kedo on video for the internet. Kedo I be for or Photoshop or go be for. Or go be for. So well. Do the kind I to allo. Oh, come one do get in YouTube away.
Because I don't know, because let them. I don't give up one number. Hey! Hey! Oh, get it up! My time because hey! I'm going to have you go. Wow! No, sure. Wow! Hey! Hey, come on, you go. Hey!
Now, wow. I bet who they drive this car, where did they call Nigeria? Because I won't get them. I have reached my bus stop. How you go beat your mama like your mother? Like, I don't understand. I even ask them, I say, una they show say no be auntie or you understand? They say na the woman will bring and come this world. If you no get pikin, it better pass make you get this kind pikin. I dey talk am, and I dey talk 100 times. If you no get pikin at all, it better say you get this kind pikin. And if they pay me, say they use cane flog the man, I be the boy. I don't even know what I won't call this one. This kind of person una suppose use iron. Use iron, flog am, in fact, I don't even know. I dey try to think. Use something where if you look yourself for mirror, you go remember say, now from this place I get this mark. Now waiting this kind of person need as we dey talk now. And in case the idiot no know, now this same way they do to your mother, your children go do it to you 10 times. And I also you know go they run from one church to another. No, just remember what you are doing now. Very important. Now why sometimes pastors go they pray for some people, you they wonder how come answers no they come. Yes. You don't know what you don't go put your hand into in the past. You don't even apologize. You don't ask for forgiveness. And sometimes God go come punish you. The person go die. You know go feel begging for forgiveness. Now why most people they look for breakthrough. They know they see. Because of the kind yama where they don't do. See the idiots. Your mates they outside, they look for better life for their family. Your mates, they take care of their own parents. They see, you must not buy your mother a car before you give her peace or rest. Your character alone is in fact is a whole deal. This thing, no, seriously, the way this thing pay me, like when I watch this video, I just like now only my mama they put inside that thing. I dey imagine if person try this thing. Hey, like see, oh Lord, just see, maybe you better feel beat me. Feel if not, now probably you just find for yourself like that. You don't buy market. Not to talk like I dey try imagine you were supposed to even dey take care of your mother. If person look for your mama trouble now, you suppose. Funny enough, all this energy say when we just dey watch. If a fellow man come now, they go beat am to stupor. Finish. May we not give birth to what will bring us sorrow in this life. Amen. You know better make an open. No, you know better. Maybe yes, maybe people talk say you know get maybe they talk am. See, I dey talk this thing every day. If we women, if they give us chance to see the thing where we dey born, if they open our eyes to see few years later after giving birth, we go commit abortion. Trust me, are they serious? Are they very serious? You go just say no, this one. Imagine person they do this thing to him mama. They wonder what you go come do to your wife. Meaning say, in fact, your own go finish. They go bury you that same day. May they use chain flog this guy. I bet that's thing. No. If I dey remember that video, they pay me. May they use chain. And I know those chain where they use tie dogs, but the bigger ones, those ones where they use for big gates. Bam. Now that one they suppose use. Give them better one. They're gonna stop all this. If I don't even know what I want call her. I beg. After this beating one, they beat this guy. Make sure say you put her for police station at least 1 month. And not be just say go there. Maybe they beat him for that. Since not beating you, see they say he who kills by the sword will die by the sword. Assuming he rape person, I for say maybe they rape him. But fine, you beat your mother. Hey! Charlie, some people are just under curse. They don't swear for you from your village. They don't swear for you. And you cannot recover from that swear. No, say your mama blessing, they're very important. And if this woman curse you, you are cursed for life. No, not serious matter because even the Bible, yes. If they curse you, you are cursed for life. So, because, I'm not going to talk about this one. But people now, the matter be this. They beat mama. You guys can drop them for that comment section. Make sure you share this video and click on that bell so that you don't go miss anything where I get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.